So the Northern Edge scenarios are as realistic as I've flown in my 20-year career, and that is utterly invaluable for everybody involved. Wing Commander Stu Campbell, I am OC 617 Squadron. 617 Squadron were delighted to receive the invite from the Americans to join Australia and indeed the host nation to take part in Exercise Northern Edge, where we're exercising at the pinnacle of combat air in the Western world in the large ranges available in Alaska. To train to the highest level, you have to travel to the best training enablers. Here in Alaska, we have a huge amount of airspace we're working in, indeed over twice the length of the UK, which really allows us to test the 5th generation aircraft to the max extent they're capable of. Also here, we aren't as affected by air traffic control as we might be in the likes of Europe, so it really extends that range space available to us. So F-35 is capable of operating from land or sea. The sea ability is just then able to project power flexibly as opposed to a land launch and recovery point. Once we're airborne, the mission sets are exactly the same. So the fact that we're here operating from a land base will be no different to should we be in the carrier some 200 miles to the south of here. The mission set would be exactly the same. Every single person is developing in their own way. For the junior pilots, just being involved in such a big exercise is huge and get them very comfortable operating around other players. And then our lead tacticians are taking their knowledge to another level, being assisted by the Australians and Americans. There's a lot of challenges with operating so far from home, but it's something we need to train to if indeed we're called upon to fight aircraft at range. So deploying as far away as Alaska and being able to operate with the United States within 48 hours of landing here was a really key milestone to achieve. And then the unique ability to gain spares for F-35, no matter where we are in the world, has enabled us to just continue to operate at a very high level while we're so far from our home unit. A standard training mission on Exercise Northern Edge will see us force package with all the assets that are here. So we'll be flying with the F-22s, with F-35As, with F-35Cs. Also we have F-16s, F-18s out here where we'll package as what we'd call generally a strike package, which each jet will have a different mission within that, whether that's providing electronic attack, or whether that's providing escort for the strike players, or actually delivering air-to-surface munitions. And then we're supported by airborne radar and also air-to-air refueling assets to enable that package. We'll tend to fight our way in and then fight our way out.